Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Tech Jake, back again with another deep dive into some serious projection tech. Today, we're checking out a real beast, the Hitachi CP-WU9410 Professional DLP Projector. This isn't your average home theater gadget. This is high-grade, large venue gear, and it shows in every detail. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, the design language screams pro. You've got a robust chassis, solid matte finish, and modular lens compatibility for maximum flexibility. But what makes the CP-WU9410 stand out isn't just the build, it's the powerhouse inside. This projector delivers a native resolution of 1920 by 1200, that's WUXGA, giving you more vertical real estate than standard 1080p. It's optimized for 16:10 aspect ratio, which is perfect for presentations, digital signage, and ultra-wide content. Whether you're running slides, cinema, or 3D animations, you're getting edge-to-edge clarity. Let's talk brightness. This thing kicks out 8,500 NSI lumens. Yeah, 8,500. That's enough to cut through ambient light in conference halls, auditoriums, or even well-lit classrooms. Blacks stay black, whites stay white, and colors pop even when you're not in a blackout room. It supports NTSC, PAL, and SECAM, which makes it internationally versatile. You're not just getting a projector, you're getting a global-ready display system. For events, venues, or multi-region business use, it just works. Connectivity-wise, you're covered. HDMI, DVD, 5BNC, LAN, RS-232, it's all here. And yes, you've got HDTV support for sending uncompressed HD video over long distances with a single cable. That's major for permanent installations. And of course, we've got lens shift, horizontal and vertical, plus keystone correction. So even if your mount isn't pixel perfect, your image will be. Oh, and the interchangeable lens system? That gives you full control of your throw ratio, short throw, long throw, ultra short throw. It adapts. Navigating the settings is easy thanks to the intuitive on-screen menu. From gamma control to 3D comb filters and even edge blending, you can dial in the image to fit any screen or setup. So who's this for? This is not your casual living room movie night kind of device, unless you live in a theater. The Hitachi CP-WU9410 is made for professional installations, lecture halls, museums, churches, and high-stakes events where quality, reliability, and flexibility matter. In the box, you get the remote, lens cover, user manual, and basic cables, but remember, the lens is sold separately, so you'll need to choose one based on your space. Now, let's talk cooling. This unit runs surprisingly quiet for its power level. The advanced dual fan system with a side exhaust helps maintain stable temps even under continuous use. And with a lamp life of up to 4,000 hours in eco mode, maintenance isn't a constant concern. Bottom line? The Hitachi CP-WU9410 is a professional-grade projector with serious brightness, flexible optics, and rock-solid image performance. Whether you're running big events or building out a dedicated AV system, this projector delivers. Alright, that's it for this one. If you're looking to pick up the Hitachi CP-WU9410 DLP projector, or just want to check out the current pricing and availability, you already know what to do. Hit that link down in the description. I've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next drop. I'm Tech Jake, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.